Hey everybody, Chris Scott here. I'm a local realtor here in Stittsville. Our team works extensively in the neighborhood. And I just want to give you a quick update on the real estate market here. Looking at the numbers, it's very interesting. I'm comparing the first quarter of last year to the first quarter of this year, and the numbers are quite revealing. I mean, keep in mind we're comparing it against the hottest quarter in Ottawa real estate history. But when we look at a detached one-car garage, we're looking at 835,000 purchase price in 2022, and this year we're at 744. So that's a considerable difference in price. Days on market this year 26 compared to 5 of last year, and 10 sales this year compared to 12 last year in that segment. When you go to the row unit segment in 2022, this was the hottest segment of the market. Investors were buying. You had, foreign investors, people from Toronto. Everybody was very bullish on Ottawa real estate. That resulted in having an average price of $752 for the row unit last year, two-story in Stittsville. This year, we've seen that shrink considerably at $631. So huge difference in price on the row unit segment of the market. Last year we had 70 sales in the first quarter. This year we're down to 41. So that is a considerable difference as well. Days on market 32 this year, 6 last year. And it was only 6 because we're holding offers for about 6 days. Otherwise they would have sold in an hour. So very interesting, the difference a year can make. When I look at detached two-car garage homes in Stittsville, this year prices are about $931 in that segment. 37 sales, average time on market 24 days. Last year, that price was $1,075,000 on average. Okay, so considerable difference again. I mean, we're well over $100,000 there in equity. And the biggest challenge has been the interest rates, and consumer confidence. As the interest rates have gone up, prices have come down accordingly. It really costs the same for a buyer to buy at today's prices when compared to yesterday's prices, but the difference is the equalizer is really the interest rate. So it's going to be interesting to see how the rest of the year plays out. I think when I do this again next quarter or even next month, the numbers are going to get better because I'm already noticing in Stittsville the last couple of weeks, there's been a lot more activity. Buyers are out of hibernation. They're feeling a little bit more confident in the market right now. Whereas, a couple months ago, they were basically paralyzed with fear on what was going to happen in our local market. But I feel like many buyers have felt like maybe the bottom is there and they're getting back in the market. As for sellers, sellers, it's more important now than ever to, have your house priced properly, staged, and showing in a way that's creating a great positive experience for buyers because they do have more choice now. And all the work you do to get your house prepared on the market, of course, is going to help sell it for the absolute most money possible. And, you want to obviously get into a days on market situation that's much less than what some of these are selling for. If you want to know what the house value is for your home, or just curious about neighborhood prices, please feel free to reach out to our team. We're always happy to help. I hope this information is of value to you. Take care.